Akshay Khanna, truly one of my favorite actors, and we see so little of you all
But
the
you
time.
never work with me.
Yeah, I have with this time. Listen, I got rejected once by you in my office on a film. Yeah, I wasn't directing. I direct very few films. You said no to Kurban, which, well, we won't talk about how that shaped up eventually. But I'm glad when you came, and again, it was for a cop's role in Ittifaq, and I was telling Juno and Boo, and I'm like, listen, this dude is like really weird. Yeah, he may say yes, he may say no. I have no way of gauging from his tone about what he's going to say, because you know you have a really scary tone, Akshay. You have no tone at all, and that's really scary. Like, we don't know whether you like someone, don't like someone, like what you hear, don't like what you hear. Why are you like this?
I don't know. I have no clue.
You have no clue why you're like this. I want to tell you, this man, and Shah Rukh said it, fantastic actor. We all know that. We all love him. We see so little of him. Monday to Friday, he's in Bombay. Then he goes to Alibag. Nothing. If he's winning an Academy Award on Saturday, he will not come back because he's in Alibag on Saturday. Yesterday, we had a cast and crew screening for a film where everyone is saying he's done outstandingly. He said, it's too far. I can't come, and it's 9 p.m. I'll be asleep by then. I'm like, here, we're in a zone of vanity. I'll go anywhere to see something that I've created, you know, and no matter what time it is. So again, I ask you, please answer my question. Why are you like this?
Yashraj is too far. I live at Malabar Hill. So I've kept my trial at Famous, so I'll watch it there.
What do you have to say about this? You've worked with Akshay. I mean, you've known him for so many years as well, Shah Rukh.
Yeah, he's extremely reticent and quiet, and that's why perhaps he come across as strange, and which is
Never
not
said
true.
strange.
No, that's why you come across as strange. But I genuinely, yeah, I've had few interactions with him, but they're always a little off beat. You know, he's got a different beat that he dances to, and I find that very interesting personally also. I met him just now backstage, and then he went and sat on the sofa on the right side, and then somebody said, go and talk to him. I said, नहीं होगी इससे बातचीत. अक्षय से वार्तालाप कुछ 12-15 दिन की हो गई है. अब अगली बार, he said, but you know him so well. I said, yeah, but this is knowing each other for a very, very long time. Yeah. But I like this not being able to fathom what kind of person he is. And I think in his enactment also, and this is too patronizing for me to be saying it, but I don't mean it patronizingly. I genuinely mean it as an audience. From Himalaya Putra onwards, whenever I've seen him as an actor, and which is seldom, too less, like Karan says, or maybe that is what is beautiful, that he comes once in a way, and when he comes, he really, really creates something unfathomable as an actor. I really, really appreciate your acting here, and this is honest truth. Having said that, why you're like this, I can also ask you, why the hell are you like this, man?